Okay, I want to tell you how easy it is to get your gun rights back after having lost them. I, when I was 18 years old, I was convicted of possession of narcotics, a very small amount, and for 22 years I had no gun rights. I had the right to vote, but I had to petition the courts to get my gun rights back, and I looked up online what I needed to do. So, this can all be done by yourself. In the state of Washington, what I had to do was go to the county clerk's office, pay them $4.50. They gave me a packet. I brought the packet home, I filled it out. I got on the Washington State Patrol website. I ordered what's called a background check done on myself for $12. I took it back to the courthouse. I paid $240 for filing fee. Then they allowed me to go ahead and serve the prosecuting attorney, which is in the same building myself. Come back upstairs, give them the return of service, and I had set the date, which is one day a month, the first Wednesday of every month in my county. And so I waited and waited and finally got into court. And when I got there, the judge finished up the previous session. There were only 3 people there to restore firearm rights. The others were civil collections. So he called the firearms people first. I was the second person. Before I could get to the table, he said I received an email from the prosecutor. They have no objections to your rights being restored. You can pick up your paperwork in a few days. And I said, okay, thank you. That was all there is to it. Now, in my state, what makes it so that you can restore your firearms rights back is I had to have at least 8 years without a felony and 5 years without a gross misdemeanor, such as a DUI. I actually could have gotten my gun rights restored many years ago, but I just never got around to it. And the way America's going today, the way the world's going today, I wanted my constitutional rights back. I wanted the right to defend myself, to protect my family. So, also, after I got the paperwork back from the courthouse, I had to get 2 certified copies, which cost $5 each. I had to send one to the Washington State Patrol, and I had to send the other copy to the FBI in Virginia. And that, I would hope that would be on file by now. But I do have my gun rights. They've been restored. I have the paperwork. Signed by a judge. I'm legal to own a gun once again. After 22 years, at 40 years old, I can finally own a gun. Anyway, you can do it too. You don't need a lawyer.